FreshFront is an all-in-one no-code development, monetization, and AI automation platform for merchants, digital creators, and enterprise. At the core are workspaces. Here you can access all of your data and files across Google Drive, as well as your business tools and products. You can generate reports, tables, charts, contracts, podcasts, music, images, videos, NFTs, and even full stores, games, apps, and more, just by prompting or using your voice. Drag in your files or import from Drive and immediately begin a collaboration session with AI. Load multiple workspaces in the exact same state you left them, with all your windows in the same place. No more linear chat scrolling. Enjoy an infinite canvas to interact with your data, create amazing content, and share across all social platforms in one click. Here we are generating a contract with our contract creator tool. Once generated, we can edit it and download as a PDF. You can find this tool among many others in your Tools folder. Tools may also pop up automatically depending on your task, if the AI thinks you may need them. Next, we will create an idea for a product. How about motivational clay pots to house our plants? I'm going to make this one blue. I'll type in my edit and wait for the results. Great, now let's see if we can make a profit. I'll pass this one over to the agent. It recommends we create a store. Let's do that. I'll give it some more details, and it should handle the store creation for us. Looks like it has started generating our store. Let's grab a snack while it creates our products, collections, and store template. We'll review and finalize the products it has created. Beautiful, our store is done. Now we can start selling right away or personalize it to our liking. Let's make a few quick edits. In addition to editing your store, you can also edit products and their pages. You can generate product images, create product videos, convert to 3D, and decide what features you want to include on your products page. Each user has a shareable social profile link that includes their app pages, posts, stores, and products for quick and easy purchases. Every store that is created has its own virtual property or storefront that can be visited by customers. Convert your products to 3D in one click. Customize your store's interior, host events, and make sales. The products you create on FreshFront are searchable in our database of over 400 million plus products. Show up on our advanced situational search, where instead of just searching for products, you can express the problem and get recommended solutions. When you find a product that interests you, you can use AI to compare it against other products and the results. You can also visualize the product on you or in your space with one click. Our most recent addition is our AI App Builder app that uses agents to build, test, and deploy any web or mobile app with a single voice or text command. We can build any application we dream of and connect it with Stripe for payments and Supabase for authentication and data. For this example, we will build a simple task app. I can ask the agent to generate a plan in our notepad, so the screen-aware agent can pass it to the builder agent while it works. I can also mint the app as an NFT that contains our app's metadata and Git repo that adds an extra layer of credibility and ownership value. Let's connect it to Supabase so our users can create accounts and manage their own task data. We can also use our whiteboard tools to sketch out our desired app elements, and the screen-aware agent will consider this while building. Let's create an NFT. FreshFront has its own NFT marketplace where you can mint products or productize NFTs. We will generate an NFT with AI and use that to generate an entire collection. How about 8-bit character inspired by CryptoPunks? In addition to minting NFTs, you can create your own avatar to use in play-to-earn games on our platform. As you can see, we have created a collection of NFTs in the same style as our original. Now, let's create a podcast. Simply open the podcast app and describe the podcast you want. The podcast agent will generate the transcript, cover artwork, and audio.
All right, future creators, let's talk 2025. You ready? Because the game is shifting and it's all about the vibe code. No, seriously, this isn't just a catchy phrase, it's the secret sauce for standing out when everyone else is shouting.
It really is that easy to create quality content. Let me finish changing the color of this taxi using Screen Aware, and then we will move on to task automation. Let's automate a task. We can use AI to do anything we are too lazy to do. In this case, I'll use it to find tickets to Japan for September 1st. As you can see, it navigates to Google Flights and executes the search for us. We can intervene by chat or by interacting with the web browser ourselves. Your choice. Grab a cup of coffee and come back to your task list completed or monitor it on the go. You can set up multiple task lists in multiple workspaces for parallel automations. In addition, our browsers can use multiple tabs in multiple windows and install Chrome extensions as needed.